M0FXB, welcome back to my videos on the M1KE that you can just see here. They have now added ALLSTAR. Now it's a lot easier to set this up when you use the software. But otherwise, you can just go menu, press the bottom button here. Go down and you can see there's a new list there, IAX2 ALLSTAR. If I go down and go connect, and it will show that all these nodes that were linked to. So you link to one node and then that node tends to be linked to loads of nodes. And that's what we're linked to. If you go back with the top button, there is DTMF there if you want to DTMF in. If you go back, so the way I'm connected to 56049. Right, and the audio quality, honestly, it's very good, better than DMRD Star Fusion. So it's quite a game changer what M1KE have done here. So if you go menu, go down to quick setup, select, and then this is like from scratch. You'd want to select ALLSTAR. There is IAX2, I haven't learned that one yet. ALLSTAR link, and it's now going to tell you you need to choose a server. Now we're connected to the Swan server, okay? Southwest UK, and then you just go up and go connect. Now in the software, because it's so fiddly on the actual device, so I just minimize here a second. So a little tip, see the way I'm seeing my screen there? You just click the eye there and you can actually listen on the PC as well. That's I can hear my PC now. That's very cool. Anyway, go quick setup, yeah, and then go to ALLSTAR. Choose your server, or type, if you know the server number, type it in. Otherwise, just choose a server. Now, it doesn't connect to every single server on ALLSTAR. Some do, some don't. They need to have a something public enabled. G7RPG was telling me. I found that the keyboard is a bit laggy on it. Because I thought they were setting wrong my keyboard, but it's not. It's just, it's a bit laggy when you start to type. So start to type, and it should just start finding things 40. And if I just connect one at random here, so I'm trying to do. So what I mean by the lagginess, a bit of a delay there. So as I typed that in, it did show. Remember, I am on the beta version. Oh, we had it then. Right, they are Swan, like so. And then you go use this server, and eventually it will switch across. Now, if you go to connectors here, just here, see it says connectors. Hopefully you can see that at the top. And you can, choose the active connector here, okay? But you do need your token. How do you get that? You go to you of course already need to have an ALLSTAR number. If you haven't got one, go here. And it's free. Create yourself an account. And then the same login that you use to get into this page, okay, is the one that worked for me when I wanted my token. And down here, server again, you can select there as soon as you start to type, and then save. I'm going to go back to status because we are connected to the Swan at the moment. Let's give it a quick key. M0FXB calling for a contact, Mike 0 Fox X-Ray Bravo. I am talking at a distance, but you still get the usual log on screen there. Now I know this is connected to GB3ZB FI and GB3FH and several other. Look up the Swan network to find it. So give it a go. Let me know what you think. I think it's fantastic that they've done this. It really opens up that the M1KE is more than just a link to DMRD Star Fusion with its own microphone, mind, and speaker, completely independent unit via Wi-Fi. It's not a hotspot. I think they're going to make a new hotspot myself. I think they're making the, if you ask me, they're making the OpenSpot 5 Pro. And it's going to be like this with a screen, but no speaker PTT. It's going to be a complete hotspot. That's my guess. Bye for now. 7-3, all the best.